2, 3, 4.
During this very busy weekend, I made quite a few comforting and relatively healthy meals. So starting off with Friday, for lunch I made this creamy chickpea mayo sandwich. Start off by rinsing the chickpeas and frying them with some paprika and some olive oil. Then go ahead and mash that up before adding in some mayo and sriracha sauce. I also added cucumber, tomato and green olives. I added to some bread with some lettuce before closing and toasting that up. I also added with a side of butternut, beetroot and some lettuce. Next is a 3-ingredient vegan French toast. So all you have to do is whisk together some cinnamon, flour and some soya milk, but you could use any milk. I just find that the soya milk works quite well. And make sure that the bread is coated and soaked completely before you fry it in. I just use ordinary vegetable oil, and you can top it off with maple syrup, walnuts, banana, strawberry. Also almond butter tastes really good. It tastes a lot like Nutella when it's warm, strangely enough. Am I the only person that feels that way? I'm not sure. On Saturday morning I went out with a friend for breakfast. If you're in Cape Town or you've been to Cape Town, you'll probably know about Kirstenbosch National Botanical Gardens. They have these amazing vegan muffins. They are chunk banana muffins. They're really amazing. For this roasted pumpkin, mix together olive oil, sugar and cinnamon. Make sure that the pumpkin is completely coated before you place it in the oven. I think usually around half an hour to 45 minutes should do. Also just had it with some beetroot and sunflower seeds, and then also the same sandwich as the day before. Dinner was this really easy creamy mushroom pasta minus the cream. Start off by heating some olive oil and garlic. I usually mince the garlic before I add it in. You can add in mushrooms, paprika and salt and pepper. Once that is done, you can remove it from the heat while you make the sauce. Melt the vegan butter and add in the flour. When you add the milk, add it in very slowly so that no lumps form. Once that's all mixed and smooth, you can add it back to the heat and the sauce will thicken after a while. Then you can add in the mushrooms into the creamy sauce, and you have a really great bowl of creamy mushroom noodles or pasta, whichever pasta of your choice you decide. Sunday was a very Sunday-ish meal day, which is to say lazy and really tasty. The link to the chocolate sauce recipe is in one of my previous videos that I'll link down below. Lunch was very much a cheat kind of lunch because I didn't cook anything. I just used this frozen ready-made burger patty with cucumber and mustard sauce and tomato sauce and lettuce. As I'm editing this, I've just realized that this is a rather underwhelming meal, but I included it anyway. You just a panini with butter and jam, some fruit, and a vegan biscuit, as well as these crunchies. I didn't get a chance to film the recipe for these crunchies, but I will be sharing the recipe very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.